हाय गाइस,
हेलो।
we'll continue with our IPL टीम एनालिसिस जो हम कर रहे हैं. आज हम करेंगे
दिल्ली
दिल्ली कैपिटल्स.
दिल्ली कैपिटल्स।
तो जैसे हम एवरी टाइम करते हैं उसी तरह शुरू करें. हर्ष,
यस यस।
कि what were the problems for 2025?
I think the team which disappointed me the most was Delhi.
Okay.
Given इतना strong squad था,
Hmm.
all the boxes were ticked.
Yeah.
Karun Nair peaked at the right moment. Rahul was at its peak, but was at his peak, but हम fifth end के, right? We missed the bus, right? So I think
But why do you think if so many things were working for them, क्या लगता है आपको क्यों क्यों मतलब they couldn't qualify? Was it only like couple of
I think last में उनके थोड़े 3-4 क्लोज मैचेस में वो थोड़े हिल गए, right? They didn't peak at the right moment during the fag end of the tournament,
Okay.
and that costed them, right? If I remember, MI has qualified, and वो last में उसमें
It was
MI got peaked in last 3-4 matches,
yeah. And MI does that.
Yeah,
MI is known for doing that.
correct. So
But
ठीक
I
है.
think,
What do you think?
Yeah,
What
overall
is your
squad
opinion?
wise, Delhi, like since the time this new option and everything has happened, I think Delhi has been the strongest squad. And I mean, kudos to their management for that. Even in this second auction which has happened, I think they've just made it even stronger.
Good steal, yeah. They've done some good steal deal, yes.
Yeah, I think, but yeah, I think some basic problems. I think they were facing some middle order, may certain slowness in terms of batting.
And I think they have sorted it out this
They've
time.
sorted
When we'll
it
talk
out.
about the 11.
Death over. I think last time they had some dependence on Mukesh Kumar was bowling really well, but in days where he had a bad day, उस दिन फिर इनकी थोड़ी
कोई नहीं
सी
था.
बैंड बज गई थी.
And that also they have solved,
That
yes.
they have
Yes.
solved. Yeah, I think let's just start working with the playing eleven. I think because of the options that they have, थोड़े ज़्यादा combination I feel बन सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
But let's see how it goes. I think Rahul.
Obviously. So Rahul, obviously, like Rahul, I think is a is kind of Mr. Consistent for
Yeah.
becoming IPL. Like what Suresh Raina was to CSK.
Yeah.
Rahul was to IPL.
Rahul is a I think
Right.
400 500 run bank every season. So they can just rely on that.
Hmm.
Who opens with Rahul? ये question है.
So there are two options here, right? One is
I think
Ben Duckett is out.
We should
Ben Duckett is out.
Yeah.
I think, and again, one more player. So as we said in our previous video, right? We need to discuss ki
Yeah.
what should BCCI or like IPL should do in
Yeah.
these cases. But ठीक है. So I think Rahul के साथ I will put Pathum,
Okay.
Nissanka, or Prithvi. Right? I know Prithvi is coming from a very tough patch. Fitness issue है, disciplinary issues थे. And to be like as an Indian cricket fan, I was a very big fan of Prithvi.
Yeah.
And I still remember the last match wo MCG mein he got bowled and Stark was bowling. So I feel Prithvi might get a chance.
Okay.
And let's see how it pans out.
Yeah.
But
I
that
agree,
will be
but
my
I
top
think,
two.
yeah, I agree, but I think Prithvi they will not start with Prithvi. Like I think they'll start with Pathum Nissanka. He had an amazing T20 World Cup,
Yes.
especially the Sri Lanka matches. He's also like grown significantly as a batsman. So Rahul Nissanka, I think Nitish Rana at 3 for me. Who is your number 3?
Rana at 3 for me. I was thinking so. See, uh, Karun Nair was also an option for me, but then I thought Karun Nair can only come later in the tournament if the fixed 12 or 13 is not firing up. So for me also it's then Nitish Rana.
So Rana at 3, Stubbs at 4. I think that's a no.
Yeah, for me Stubbs at 4 and Miller at 5.
Okay, I had Akshay Patel at 5 and Miller at 6.
Okay.
Just to extend the Akshay Patel, I think did not get a lot of chance in the India setup, but I think he's a much better batsman than that. So he can maneuver the innings and all. So for me, Akshay was.
So I think
Miller was 6.
मुझे ना थर्ड में एक प्रॉब्लम था राणा और अभिषेक पोरेल के साथ.
Okay.
Right.
Abhishek
Porel had a okay shoot IPL last year. But Porel also, if he is form, he'll also give you preference. So for me right now, I will go with Rana. Rana ने अभी दिल्ली जो प्रीमियर लीग था वहाँ बहुत मचाया है.
Okay.
Right. So Rana and Porel में, but I will go with Rana. I am with you on that. Right?
Okay.
ठीक है, तो I think 6 is done. Who's your 7th?
7th Ashutosh Sharma, I think no
brainer.
question.
Yes. So Ashutosh, I think it's a clutch player for them.
Yeah.
So hopefully he remains like that.
I think उसके बाद is where I'm slightly struggling to find someone who is proper number 8. In my team, I put Akib Navidar.
Obviously.
Number 8. But I am not very sure. He obviously had an amazing Ranji. He's had amazing Smat and Vijay Hazare as well. But I'm not very sure with the bat if he's a number 8 on a batting 11. Right, in IPL. But I cannot find anyone else. Maybe a Samir Rizvi or a Vipraj Nigam.
Vipraj Nigam also last year काफी वो spinner है, right?
Spinner है, and then he had like he used to come down and hit couple of lusty blows. But at this point of time, I have Akib Navidar as 8, Mukesh Kumar at 9,
KD.
KD at 10, and
So Nabi at 8, Mukesh at 9, KD at 10,
Kuldeep Yadav. When we say KD, we saying Kuldeep Yadav
Kuldeep
at
at
10,
10.
Lungisan Ngidi at 11, and Natarajan is my impact sub.
Okay. And what if when Stark comes back?
Stark replaces Ngidi.
Okay.
Like to like replacement. And what do you think?
Yeah,
Because
so
they have options. For example, bowling mein they still have Dushman Chamira,
they have Kylie Jameson.
Kyle Jamieson. Spin mein they have Vipraj Nigam. Batting mein I think we've covered all the.
Batting में करुण नायर है तो we have covered those things. Yeah, तो मेरा option था इसीलिए I wanted to go with Shaw, to be very honest.
So basically you're saying KL and Shaw, okay.
KL, Shaw, Rana, Stubbs, Miller, Akshar.
Okay. Okay.
Ashutosh. Then Stark is there for me, and see, I'm assuming Stark is available from. So if Stark is not available
from first man.
Okay, then I'll go with Pathum because I need, and because then bowling becomes little. अगर Stark का लूंगी दोनों तो I'll go with both of them. That was my strategy. Stark at power play.
But do you think they'll need, like for example, Mukesh Kumar for sure will be in the playing?
यार मुकेश बहुत टाइम से he's also.
Mukesh Kumar, when you have Mukesh Kumar, T Natarajan, Akib Navidar. Okay.
Akib भी है, sorry, I'm forgetting him. Why?
And then the spin is.
And there's KD and Akshar.
KD and Akshar. So I think they have a very very strong Indian spin, Indian bowling contingent.
So they should.
They should
go all.
Yeah, because I think I feel the batting is slightly
on the average side.
With only.
No, then I think you made a good point, Kaustubh. So Pathum and Rahul. Then I think Lungiri and Stark will be
one of them.
Natarajan. If let's say Natarajan and Nabi, we don't know about him. Mukesh, if their bowling seems little weak, then they can go with 2 foreign pacers.
Against which batsman? You say Pathum against the opener.
I'll go with Pathum.
I'll get Prithvi Shaw there, and then
I'll get Prithvi Shaw there because otherwise, if Miller and Stubbs needs to go out, they don't have a strong middle
Finisher,
order.
yeah.
Finisher or late middle order.
Yeah,
right?
I don't see that in the team unless they get someone instead of Endacott, which we don't know. At this
I don't
point
think
of
they
time.
will get. They have. So that's why. So when we were discussing in previous video, right? Delhi is the team which has backups.
Yeah.
Right. So let's say one more option, Kaustubh, is that if Stubbs and Miller में किसी एक करना, I know not a like to like, but Karun Nair can come in, right?
Or if not, I think Samir Rizvi is a
Samir Rizvi is there, right?
compared to
Rizvi
the
like
lower
to
order.
like. He can give you some 1 or 2 over also.
Karun Nair can be a good, if Nitish Rana does not have a good season.
Correct. That's why they have the backups,
Yeah.
right? Pathum, Shaw is there, Rana, Porel is there, Stubbs, Miller, one of them.
Yeah.
You have Samir Rizvi or Karun if you want to play. Right, bowling may they have good options. They have Kylie also.
I think the only issue now with this squad is the lower middle order, right? 7 and 8. 7 they have Ashutosh Sharma who was a very good IPL player.
After that,
I'm not really sure. Yeah, like in a batting 11, Akib Navidar at 8. I don't know how to fit a Samir Rizvi or maybe a Vipraj Nigam can still play, but will they need a third spinner after Akshar and Kuldeep?
Because if Vipraj is playing, you are going with 1, 2, 3 pacers. You're going with 2 pacers.
2 pacers,
yeah.
2 names, 3 Akib Navidar, the foreign pacer,
and the Mukesh
Kumar.
I think they will do that because of. मतलब क्योंकि देखो Nabi, Mukesh and Natarajan, sorry, Nabi,
but
Mukesh,
still you're saying Vipraj Nigam at 8, right?
He can also bat.
So like
see, they have 5 main bowlers.
There are other teams in the tournament who have a stronger number 8 is what I'm trying to say. Because what happens is, like, there's one more aspect to it, right? If the team knows that the number 8 is not a proper batsman, the pressure will be on KL Rahul, and you don't want a KL Rahul who plays a 60 ball 100 or a 65 ball 100.
So I think that's the only blind spot or weak point for them.
I also don't think like they have, like in the batting, right? It looks very covered. But I don't see a out and out power player, right, or a firepower player, right? It's all of them are like will play at a strike rate of 130, 140, 150 maybe. But I don't see a 200 strike rate here. David Miller is no longer that kind of 200.
Stubbs is there, yeah.
Yes, Stubbs again is.
I think then like there is playing 11 we have discussed. Problem is वो नहीं है उनके पास कि there's Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head.
Or even in the lower order, right? Like Andre Russell or like.
Correct, कि मतलब 3 over में 60 runs बनाने.
Who does that?
Who does that? Yeah.
But yeah, I think overall, I think it's a very safe
a
and strong
balanced
team.
team,
Yeah,
right?
safe, balanced, strong team.
Where will you think they'll
I
finish?
think I had thought like they'll finish at top this time.
Top number
Yeah.
one. Oh, okay.
With like obviously with like the assumptions had Stark and Tuckett, but I think even without that they can finish in.
Oh, I also thought of they'll finish at second.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
What do you guys think? And what do you think? Who should they start with, right? Prithvi Shaw or Pathum? Thank you.
Let us know in the comments.